The first bite itself is like so damn juicy and it's so sweet. Slightly the almonds crispiness is there. They have fried the almonds and they have put inside this malai sandwich. Malai means. Hey folks, welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing good. Today we have dropped down to ABC, which is in Link Road. The full form of ABC is Amma Brahmin Cafe. So this is there from quite long period of time. Brahmin's Cafe itself is something, a very unique dishes where we are gonna be finding in Bangalore. So this is one amongst them. This is there from last 10 years. Let's go inside and check out what is so special of this Amma Brahmin Cafe. So here is Mr. Shyam Bhatt. He is the proprietor of this Amma Brahmin Cafe. Yes sir. Sir, ABC. Andre Malleshwaram almost ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. So Amma Brahmin Cafe ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು almost like 8 years ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ದು almost 10 years ಇದೆ ಶೇಷಾದ್ರಿಪುರಂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So ಏನೇನು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
ತಟ್ಟೆ ಇಡ್ಲಿ,
ಓಕೆ,
ದೋಸೆ,
ಓಕೆ,
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಊಟದ ಐಟಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ರೈಸ್ ಬಾತ್ ಐಟಮ್, ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮದು ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಂಗ್, ಔಟ್ಡೋರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ.
ಓಕೆ,
ಔಟ್ಡೋರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಳಿಯೋಗರೆ ಪೌಡರ್ ಏನೋ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
ಪುಳಿಯೋಗರೆ ಗೊಜ್ಜು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಪುಳಿಯೋಗರೆ ಗೊಜ್ಜು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಿಸಿಬೇಳೆ ಬಾತು, ಪೊಂಗಲ್ಲು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ನಮ್ಮದು ಸಾಂಬಾರು, ಚಟ್ನಿ, ನಾವು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ ಹಾಕೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಸಾಂಬಾರಿಗೆ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಚಟ್ನಿಗೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲೆಮನ್ ರೈಸು, ಶಾವಿಗೆ ಬಾತು ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓನ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸಾಗು ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಪಲಾವ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ತುಂಬ ಅದನ್ನು.
And one more thing of this cafe is they prepare something in brinjal. Brinjal ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ತುಂಬಾ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಪಟ್ಟೆ. ಏನು ಸರ್ ಅದು?
ಬ್ರಿಂಜಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಎಣ್ಣೆಗಾಯಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಎಣ್ಣೆಗಾಯಿ.
ಎಣ್ಣೆಗಾಯಿ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಓಕೆ.
ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಅದು ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ 2 ದಿವಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ತುಂಬ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದು.
ಓಕೆ. I've got so many dishes early morning. This is a very tight breakfast for me. So I've got one idli, puliyogre, kali dose and Mangalore buns, and this is penne masala. So first let's start with idli, tatte idli specially, and the special sambar which they told about the sambar a lot. They won't use onions and all in the sambar. Whoa, the idli is damn soft and they have used slightly jaggery in the sambar. The sambar is giving a very good taste and the coriander flavor is really very dominating in the sambar. Once you dip idli in the sambar, the idli is getting completely soaked. It's really very hot. For early morning breakfast, this is really fantastic to have a idli. Early morning carbs are really very much required for a human being. Let me try some chutney also with this idli. The coconut flavor and the chili, they have grinded it well in this chutney. So it's giving a fantastic spicy taste. The sambar and chutney, it's giving a very good combination for idli. So here is plain dosa. The dosa is really very crisp and the oil is being used really very less. So the first bite goes up with chutney. The crispiness flavor is in next level and the oil is really very less, as I told you, and the spiciness taste of this chutney is giving a amazing taste. Let me have a try with sambar. With sambar it's okay, but with chutney it's a very good combination. So this is butter masala dosa. On top they have given bit of butter. So let me open this dosa. Take some butter, dip it in chutney and have it. This is a homemade butter. They haven't purchased from outside and they're not using ready-made butter. So this is giving a very good taste. A desi butter, I can say. Just look at this potato palya. They have used lot of coriander leaves. The potato palya is plain. There is no spices and all used a lot in this potato. The potato is been boiled well, and in this they have used onions, so it's giving a good taste with chutney. For early morning, the breakfast has to be good. The day is gonna be getting started with the breakfast, so I prefer to eat some of the breakfast like this. And most of the time I be in diet, like eggs, oats and all. But once in a while, when I'm dropping down for a breakfast like this, I really feel good. My day starts up really good. This is Mangalore buns. So with this, they give chutney or else kurma. So here I have received chutney because I've dropped down around some 7:30 in the morning. Still they are preparing many things. Slightly sweetness is there in the bun, and the crispiness is there because they have done oil fried. And the sweetness and the chutney, slightly that chili spiciness is giving a very good taste for this buns. And if kurma was there, it would have been more good. Amazing taste. And they have used fennel seeds also here and there for the buns. Slightly they'll use baking soda because the bun has to fluff. Finally, what is required for this bun, that is there, sagu. I received sagu. The hot sagu is really tasting good. No spices at all in sagu. It is not at all spicy, but a good combination for buns. They have used some vegetables in this, like carrot and slightly radish. Leaving that, I'm not able to find anything. They have used banana, maida and baking soda in this buns, so it is giving a very good taste. The one of the famous dish of this hotel is puliyogre. So finally I have received puliyogre, and crispiness of this curry leaves is in next level. They have sprinkled lot of curry leaves on this puliyogre. First bite and the expectational bite. Lot of groundnut has been used, and lot of white sesame seeds has been used in this puliyogre, as well as jaggery. The jaggery taste is really very dominating in this puliyogre. They have used tamarind and jaggery in the right proportion, so everything is perfect. The taste wise of this puliyogre is in next level. I never tasted such kind of puliyogre anywhere in restaurants or cafe, but this kind of puliyogre I have tasted in temples. They have given a proper mix of this puliyogre goju with this white rice. The crispiness of this curry leaves is giving a very good combination with this puliyogre rice. At last we have received one dessert. This is Malai sandwich. They are famous for sweets also. The first bite itself is like so damn juicy, and it's so sweet. Slightly the almonds crispiness is there. They have fried the almonds and they have put inside this Malai sandwich. Malai means, of course, you people know. It is damn juicy. Here and there they have used raisins also. Even raisins they have completely oil fried, then they have put it in this Malai sandwich. So the raisins is also crisp. In between this Malai sandwich they have used kova. The kova is slightly sweet, and after doing this, they'll put it in this sugar syrup, so it is giving a juiciness taste. It has to be soaked for a very long period of time. Then only this sugar syrup will be getting absorbed with this malai. Finally, I finished my breakfast. The breakfast was really good, and having so much of food early morning, butter, ghee and all, banana, everything is like completely, my stomach is bloated up. The price is quite reasonable. The location, it's in proper Malleshwaram Link Road, it says. It will be mentioned in the description part. Catch you up in the next vlog. Till then, bye, take care, see ya.